Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you know you can change the audio language of a YouTube video? Today I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's get started. First, go to your YouTube account. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select a Mr. Beast video. Now, as you can see, on top right, there is a gear signal. Click on that. And on the bottom of this menu, you can see audio track. Click on that. You can see English original, French dub, Hindi dub, Indonesia dub. You can select any of this language and the video will be on that language. Another thing is that you can also change the subtitle language. The process is same. Click on that gear sign again. Click on caption. You can see all types of subtitles here, from Hindi to Japanese to Korean. You can select any of these and the subtitle will be in that language. That's it for the video. If you have any problem regarding accessing any settings, leave a comment down below. And if this video helps you, leave a like and subscribe to this channel.